In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and release a version in Jira. Let's dive right into the steps to help you efficiently manage your project releases. First, navigate to your Jira dashboard and select the project for which you wish to create a release. This is your central hub for managing tasks, and choosing the correct project ensures that you're setting up a release in the right context. Once you've selected your project, look towards the top of your screen and click on Releases. This section is where you'll manage all the versions associated with your project. Now you'll want to take the next step by clicking the Create Version button. Depending on your specific Jira setup, this might instead say Create Release. Either way, this action will open up a form where you can enter the release details. Here, you'll need to provide a clear and descriptive name for your release. This could be something as straightforward as 1.0 or a bit more descriptive like beta release. Choosing a meaningful name is crucial for future reference, especially when juggling multiple versions. Moving on to the schedule, you'll need to specify the start date, which is essentially when work on this release will commence. Next, enter the release date, which is your target deployment date. Planning these dates helps in organizing team efforts and anticipating any potential roadblocks. In the description field, add any relevant information about the release, perhaps list the features included, or mention any significant improvements over previous versions. This provides clarity and context to anyone reviewing the release notes later on. Depending on your Jira setup, you might have additional options, such as designating a driver for the release. This person will be responsible for coordinating the entire release process, so choose someone well versed with the project. Don't forget about the release notes. These are essential to document the specific changes and improvements in this version. Release notes serve as a historical record and can be very useful for troubleshooting or future planning. After you've meticulously filled out all the necessary details, go ahead and click Save or Create to finalize the creation of your version. Now to release this version, move your cursor over the version you'd like to release and you'll see 3 dots appear on the right hand side. Click on these and a drop down menu will appear. From this menu, select Release. To finalize, you'll be prompted to confirm your action by clicking Release again. This ensures that all details are satisfactory and you're ready to proceed. That's it, you've successfully created and released a version in Jira. This process is an excellent way to manage project deliverables and keep everyone on the same page. I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make the most out of Jira.